I can't stop eating, mamma mia! Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Welcome back with your chef Paolo. Today I'm gonna make a super delicious recipe for all the family, and especially your children are gonna love it. My grandmother always used to make it for me. This is a gratin roasted potatoes with some ham and our homemade bechamel sauce. Do you remember? Check my video, look how beautiful it is. Let's check all the ingredients. 500 grams of potatoes, couple of slices of ham, couple of slices of cheddar cheese, 100 grams of Parmesan cheese or whatever cheese you have. Then our amazing bechamel sauce. First thing first, we need to slice all our potatoes. It's better if we have a slicer because we need to make it really thin. Alright guys, once we slice our potato, we take our trays for the oven and we start to put a first layer of our amazing bechamel sauce. Then we start to add our potato. Alright, let's add some other sauce. Time to add some piece of ham and some piece of our cheese. Other potato. The same thing. Alright guys, the last layer of our amazing homemade bechamel, all on top. Here we are guys. Now it's time to add our Parmesan cheese on top. It's gonna make a super nice golden crust. 60 minutes, 180 degrees in the oven, and our super delicious gratin potato cake is gonna be ready. Let's go. Haha, here we are guys. 1 hour and our potato cake is ready. Mamma mia, look, so crunchy outside and I think super juicy and delicious inside, look. And now guys, time to plate it and try it, look. So juicy. This really nice bechamel sauce melted with the cheese, the potato so soft, and the ham, mamma mia ragazzi. You will love it, your children will love it. So delicious, so hot, perfect for a Sunday in this cold and rainy winter. And you can do this potato cake in so many different ways. You can add some mushroom if you like. You can add some fennels. You can add some carrots. It's so delicious, guys. I can't stop eating, mamma mia. Next time I will show you another recipe of this amazing potato gratin cake. Thank you very much for following me. Another super delicious recipe, easy to make. Follow my steps, always with me in my kitchen and your chef. See you then. Bye bye.